Hello, YouTube members. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing well. Um, my channel name is Conquistador18. That is the name I'm going to be using to identify myself. The reason I've been watching, I've decided to post YouTube videos, create videos and upload them into YouTube. Um, I've been watching YouTube since 2005. That's 16 years. And I started watching at the same time it was founded, which was February 14th, 2005. So a little after that date, I discovered it by accident on YouTube, and I started watching. And I like YouTube because I get to watch videos I can't watch, or of different different issues, subjects, uh, and videos that I wouldn't be able to watch on cable, because you can't decide on cable what you want to watch. It's what's available. On YouTube, you get to select. Um, why I decided to do YouTube videos? I decided to do this to express uh, my opinions and provide facts um, about various subjects and issues. Um, um, I felt that it was time. I've been on Facebook and other social media, and I decided to create videos and upload them to YouTube. I don't have a lot of equipment, advanced equipment, editing equipment, video editing equipment, so it's kind of hard for me to make a real professional video. But the purpose of my videos is to provide an alternative perspective uh, on certain subjects and issues. Over the last 30 years, I have noticed my nation, the United States, and other nations around the world go through certain social changes. Some of it has been positive, some of it has been negative. Unfortunately, most of it has been negative. Um, and some of my ideas, some of my opinions that I will be expressing may sound very unconformist, extremist, unconformist, and might even be offensive to some members. Uh, you can take the information for what it's worth. Some of it will be based on facts. I will attempt to be as factual as possible. I will make mistakes. I am not perfect. Nobody is. And if you witness anything I say that is invalid, or obsolete, or was once a fact, and now it is obsolete, feel free to comment in the comment section, and inform me of of my error. I welcome any YouTube member to comment and express their opinions about my videos. What kind of videos I will be doing. I will be doing videos of various subject matters. There are going to be a wide variation of subjects. Again, I am not an expert in any of these subjects. I have a rudimentary understanding, a basic understanding. Again, you can take the information for what it's worth. I have some subjects I tend to be more familiar with than others, but I am in no way an expert in any of these subjects or issues. Some of it's going to be based on science, history, psychology. I do the best I can to be informative, and as objective as possible. This is my first video. This is just an introduction video. Um, I'm just letting all my members, all YouTube members, that what my intentions are about these videos. Again, you can take the information for what it's worth, and I'm looking forward to creating these videos and uploading them to YouTube. Until I do create my next video and upload it onto YouTube, to my YouTube channel, I want to wish all my YouTube members good luck, and good luck to you all, and may God bless you all.